What's it?
Labdien, good morning. I will switch to English again. It's just easier, probably. It's a great honor to be here and to present my company. That's me. I'm a member of board of joint stock company Olainfarm. In this presentation, I will shortly tell about Olainfarm and try to stick within 10 minutes. Then tell about our experience in use of EU-funded projects, as well as to bring up some points maybe for future projects. Olainfarm is Baltic's biggest chemical and pharmaceutical producer, employing more than 1,000 employees. In our group in total, we have almost 2,000 employees. Company is founded in 1972 as, at that time, a state company, but currently we are already for 20 years listed in Riga Stock Exchange. Key product areas we are producing and selling covers neurology, cardiology, infectology, and allergology. Our group include a lot of subsidiaries covering horizontal and vertically related businesses. Main of them I might mention is chain of pharmacies, Latvijas Aptieka. It's producer of elastic and compression materials, Tonus Elast, natural medical producer, Silvanols, pharma and phyto producer in Belarus, Biotest, and some medical care companies as well. Company's consolidated turnover has grown for last 15 years, currently reaching 122 million euros with 11 million net profits. Our products are sold in all continents worldwide, and major part is exported outside the European Union. We are qualified supplier of anti-tuberculosis drugs for World Health Organization that further bring these products to developing countries. Our facilities are placed in almost 500,000 square meters of production area, covering whole cycle of production, starting from basic chemical synthesis and ending with final dosage form medications for your health. Annually, we are producing more than 1 billion tablets and capsules. So about EU co-financed projects, we've been for the previous period and current programming period participants in 16 projects as beneficiaries and 12 projects as partners together with governmental and various non-governmental organizations. In previous programming period, our projects covered almost all important areas for us in respect of investment, whether it's infrastructure of production, of quality maintenance infrastructure, the same as research and development projects, and ending with small projects in respect of acquisition of new markets. Total investment during that period was on 20 millions and 6 millions was co-financed by European Union funds. Our assessment is that these investments resulted for us in annual increase of turnover approximately for 3 millions, and that we are especially proud that no investment or investment costs are recognized as non-eligible from controlling authorities' perspective. Major project within that programming period is related to production of nitrofuran products. Nitrofuran products are a group of antibacterial drugs not creating resistance as opposite to different products. Active ingredient, as you can see in picture, is specifically yellow color, and that requires complete separation of whole production cycle from any other activities. We invested approximately 10 millions in reconstruction of building, in acquisition of production equipment, as well as creating of so-called clean room that in fact is building inside the building, ensuring the sterility level inside this building similar to surgery room. So for current programming period, again, we managed to align, not with difficulties, our investment needs with available fundings, and in almost all for us critical areas. Investment in infrastructure for producing of new goods, as well as in research and development. Total investment we are planning during this period approximately on 12 millions. So major project currently undergoing is creation of experimental technology for new drugs. And basic drug we are currently developing is related to, well, third line treatment of tuberculosis. And if we will succeed in this project and all related activities, we will become the world second whole cycle producer of this drug. So it will definitely improve our export capabilities, mainly to developing countries outside the European Union. To summarize our experience with European projects, from an Olainfarm perspective, it is a success story. Mainly because we managed to do our crucial investments faster. As a key factors for this success, I might mention two. One is ability to align our investment needs with available programs, and the second is highly effective project management that participates in a whole life cycle of the project. I will finalize my presentation with points for improvement from industry and company perspective. First is large entity issue, and there are two aspects. One is supporting intensity and number of programs available for large entities is decreasing, despite the fact that large entities are main export force, well, at least for Latvia. And the second aspect is the measurement or recognition criteria of large entities. And there is example, Olainfarm is treated as a large entity, but if we are comparing our company with other European, even Eastern European pharmaceutical companies, we are like a startup. And that's definitely creating a huge gap between developmental capabilities between us and other big pharma companies. Second point is R&D issue. I would say that R&D programs available currently are not friendly for privately owned commercial entities. And there are a lot of factors, starting with timing and required results of these programs. And finally, the same timing issue It's probably very specific for pharmaceutical industry, but average length of practical execution of the program is 2.5 years. For us, average length of developmental program from the beginning till the actual production and selling, well, might easily reach 10 years. So we hope that these points might be addressed in the future programs. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much.